If you think AI hasn't started to take over, then you probably aren't aware that you are already on your way to becoming a cyborg. If you look at yourself, or just 99% of the people around, we are all immersed in our smartphones or devices. It's just that the so-called device isn't attached to your body physically, but your mind is most certainly wired to it, whether it be for information, social media, entertainment, or almost everything a human describes as a need in today's world is being provided by these devices in your hands, and you as an individual are heavily dependent on it, which makes you part cyborg already. If somebody from 50 years ago witnessed what we have today, they would already conclude AI to have taken over because the advancement in technology has been rapid over a very short period of time. And now, as of today, unless you're living under a rock, you can see the advancement of AI starting to become significant and actually integrate itself into our lives more and more. With the release of ChatGPT, dall-e, and many more AI tools, we are literally able to witness the integration of AI into our jobs, daily routines, and lives. ChatGPT, although isn't perfect at the moment, you can't deny it's impressive. Its ability to provide information about anything you ask from it is truly a game changer. Even if it's not perfect, it surely can play a vital role in assisting us humans in speeding up our tasks. There's no more need to search through hundreds of articles or think of important points about a certain topic before starting to write an article on it. Instead, ChatGPT does the job by providing you with key points about most topics, ultimately reducing your workload. And imagine, this is just the beginning. The future will have newer releases and more upgraded versions of these AI tools, and you can only imagine how much more powerful they can become. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. And with dall-e 2 introducing the ability to create realistic images and art from any description you provide, you can only imagine what could be done from it. You now have the power to bring your imagination into reality in the form of art or images with no experience in drawing and photography at all. This is all going to assist so many artists and photographers in their work, and maybe in the potential future take up a lot of their jobs as well, because soon many creators or businesses won't have to depend on anybody else to bring their imagination into reality. If you look at the automobile industry, you can clearly see AI getting integrated there for the purpose of creating autonomous systems such as self-driving cars. And companies like Tesla have already made a major portion of it a huge reality. Not only that, companies like Neuralink are taking huge leaps in innovation by claiming to give disabled patients the ability to move and communicate again, and also restore vision, all by implanting a small chip within the skull. AI is certainly going to help in improving healthcare, the accuracy of medical diagnosis, and predicting the outbreak of potential diseases. At the same time, it's going to improve decision making because it has the ability to analyze large amounts of data and make more informed decisions than humans could on their own. But despite all these innovations and improvements, AI could get out of hand if not controlled properly. And that is the biggest threat of AI. There's a big difference between asking an AI to do something as compared to a human. When you ask a human to get you a bottle of water, they will perform the task based on other factors present in their environment by assessing them on their own. But if we had to ask an AI to bring us a bottle of water, due to the way AI is being built right now, it could make its life mission to fetch you that bottle of water even if it had to kill everybody in its way to do so. So unlike humans, while building an AI, we have to make sure that the AI is able to comprehend all such conditions provided to it by us, such as don't kill anyone or don't break anything, so that it is able to complete the task in an efficient manner by keeping all the other conditions in mind to prevent destruction or harm in its way, just like a human would. Now, providing these conditions could be a difficult task because the AI would need emotional intelligence in order to assess its objectives in a human manner. And it's not always going to be possible for us to provide the AI with so many conditions to perform a simple task that ensures safety, because being humans, we could potentially miss out on a few conditions that could have catastrophic effects, because an AI can calculate a lot of information in a very short time and build many different scenarios through one simple missed condition. So as good as it sounds to have AI for the remarkable changes it has and is about to bring into this world, it could also cause a lot of catastrophic changes and destroy civilization as we know it today. This problem is harder than we think, and only time shall give us the answers.